Hi guys, this video is going to be really short. I've been asked a few times, or also seen in the comments, people asking how to clean a powder coating gun. So what I did is the old Eastwood Dewalt, just because that's kind of a different gun than what we're normally used to with the systems. And then I cleaned my gun on my Columbia Coatings KKHD. Which is more like the normal systems out there. So it's a taste of a little bit of both of them. So it's gonna be a real short video. In the next 2 days, I have 2 videos coming out. I have one, I had my friend here doing rims, told him at his cost with his labor, and he does the rims. So you'll get to experience him blasting them, him powdering them, and they actually turned out really nice, so I'm really proud of him. And also the X1 Reaper machine that I have, we tore it apart like you guys know, and we just powder coated it. So we're doing the base in Illusion Purple with that Fire Lights, I believe it's Fire Lights or Fire Night, and then it's dark orange, which is a texture. So we figured it would just be a good contrast to it. So in the next couple days, you will have my buddy doing his rims come out. You'll have us doing the system, powder coating that and everything to this point. And then next week we'll put a video for putting the whole machine together. So we'll do that aspect too. Okay, please like and subscribe. Have a good week. Every bit needs to be seen. A little farther back if it needs to see the whole thing. Okay, good.
Stop it?
Nope.
Stop it.
All good.